These are the current temperatures. It was warm there then, and it's still warm there. 82, 78 Weslaco right now, 77, the latest reading out of Brownsville. Tomorrow's high temperature is a little cooler than today, mainly in the low to mid 70s with spotty showers around. I should put the word spotty on there because it makes it look like it's going to rain all day, and I don't think that's the case at all. But some places may pick up a brief shower tomorrow. An isolated thunder shower is a possibility. High tomorrow is about 73. The norm is 71. Then after that, we start going back up, 78, 82 for Thursday and for Friday. Now here's satellite radar together. We've seen spotty showers over the valley today, but nothing real big. But there have been a lot of clouds, and they're not going anywhere for a while. Look how Future Track keeps the clouds in tonight, shows an isolated shower. Our weak front finally pushes into and through the valley early tomorrow. With it, there could be a brief shower or two. Clouds stick around. One last piece of upper level energy goes through early in the morning on Thursday, and now the models are back to suggesting a shower, perhaps even a thunderstorm, especially north, possible early in the morning on Thursday. This is 3 a.m., but by Thursday afternoon, sun comes back out as drier air builds back in, at least temporarily. Now we go back to Friday and notice clouds start to build back in again. One more little piece of upper level energy goes across South Texas, and that's enough to cool the atmosphere aloft and bring clouds back in for Friday. So it's a mix of clouds and sun then. Probably not much rain. I think our best chance is tomorrow at about 40% into tomorrow night, early Thursday, and then by Friday we should be mainly dry, if not completely dry. Now, by looking at this map, you can kind of pick out where the front is, right where that temperature boundary is, just to the north of Houston, just to the south of Laredo, and north of us. We're sitting at 82 degrees right now. There it is. And the front kind of sits to the north of us all night, but then tomorrow is able to push through, and the slightly cooler air is able to build in. The low moves right up the front, basically, and that pulls drier air in, but it takes until Thursday afternoon for that to happen. Some clouds build back in on Friday, but then by Saturday, drier air's back. This front catches up with this front, and together we get a pretty good cool down. Not a big cool down, but a little bit of a cool down on Sunday. So tonight, mostly cloudy with a shower in one or two spots, a low of 66. Tomorrow, back up to 73. Mostly cloudy skies. A cooler day with a shower, perhaps even an isolated thunder shower, a possibility. 73, 78, 82. Nighttime lows stay down around 60 the rest of the week. Saturday looks like we could set record highs. We'll be near 90 on Saturday, and then windy and cooler on Sunday, only 76. Windy, probably the key word for the second half of the weekend. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.